Hello.
This is where we're staying, over here.
Yes.
And we have lots and lots of mushrooms to pick. So check those babies out. Hello.
Hello.
Bonjour.
Hello. Let's go. We just met our Airbnb host and we're following him to our accommodation. Should be interesting.
And he doesn't seem like a serial killer. Doesn't mean he isn't, but...
Oh, lucky I know karate. Where's he taking us? Ooh, there. That must be it. Made it.
And here we are.
Bonjour.
Oh, monsieur. Do you like my little farmhouse?
Oui.
Pretty cool, isn't it? Turn around, have a look at the lake.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Is this your mushroom farm?
This is my mushroom farm. I'm on mushrooms right now.
Are they good?
I'm hallucinating.
Our Airbnb came with 7.7 acres of land. That was basically like a nature's own mushroom supermarket.
Did you check that it was 7.7?
Yes, I checked with the Airbnb host. Mushroom season in France starts around mid-August through to mid-October.
Well, let's go pick some mushrooms then.
You've been hunting mushrooms for long?
It's a new hobby of mine.
Autumnal European hobby.
What's amazing is a week ago we were in Bordeaux and we went hunting for the same mushrooms in like the markets in Bordeaux.
Is that called hunting?
In the Capuchin markets. Was that what they were? Capuchin markets?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think you bought like 3 of them for like €6 or something, didn't
A
you?
bit more than that.
And,
You don't want to know how much I paid for them.
And you don't know. And now we're staying on a property where they grow wild.
Yeah, there's some as well. But these are not what we want. But there's the first sign.
Here's something fascinating about where we're staying.
Yeah.
It's really remote and really quiet, but occasionally you hear something rustling in the trees. And if the owner hadn't told us that's acorns dropping from the trees onto the ground, you would think there was some sort of wild animal that was after us. You'd be really scared. I would be anyway.
Yep, acorns. Anyway. Hello.
We're like basically Super Mario Brothers.
Hello. 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 There's some here. Oh, and there's some good ones here. Bonjour, little ones. You come with us. Oh, yeah. Bonjour, monsieur. These are the good ones. These are what we want. Yep. Don't know what these are. Won't be touching them though. Or these. Bonjour.
Champignon, monsieur?
Oui.
But you got to be careful, and that's why our very helpful Airbnb host left us with a book so we'd know which mushrooms were the poisonous ones.
Yeah, you have to be careful, as wild mushrooms should not be collected unless you know how to identify them. Mushrooms are typically picked to eat, but people also use them for medicinal.
Medicinal?
Medicinal.
Do they cure stuttering as well?
And psychotropic uses.
Oh, hey.
I would not trust that one. Don't know what they are either. Check out this stash. Woohoo! Yum, yum, yum. Bonjour. How many Mario points does this get?
A couple of hundred, I think.
What about that one? Jeez. Wow.
While we've been walking around the middle of nowhere, France, the last couple of days, twice now we've had locals stop us and basically ask us in French if we're okay. And we've figured out that's what they mean, and we've kind of gone, you know, we're all good.
You look far from home.
And yeah, I know. Yeah, how lost do we look? Yeah.
You look really
But it's
lost.
just really sweet. It's just really sweet. French people, like people anywhere, can be absolutely adorable, and they can also be complete pricks if they want to be. So,
As well as mushrooms, we managed to find some berries too. Look. I don't think these are edible. But could be useful to climb the tree, maybe. Massive.
Amazing.
And a little baby, look. Oh, they like each other. It's very peaceful out here. So, mission success?
This is where we're staying, over here. And we have a lake to walk around.
Yeah.
And we have lots and lots of mushrooms. So check those babies out. Hello.
Hello. Mushy said hi. Hi. Let's take them home and cook them up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, check out the harvest.
We did really well, didn't we?
There's something very kind of earthy and wholesome and almost sort of Neanderthal, isn't there, about foraging for your own food?
Yeah, forest to plate.
Farmer Paul.
I'm a farmer.
Farmer.
I'm a mushroom farmer.
He's a lakeside farmer.
I'm a lakeside mushroom farmer.
Amazing. That's cool.
We'll cook those babies up later. Voila.
Okay, can we eat some mushrooms now?
Cook them up in French butter and salt and herbs. Did you like them?
They were delish. They were really good.
Meaty, huh?
Yeah. Shh.
If you listen carefully, you can hear an acorn falling. I also read that in France, if you bring your mushrooms to the pharmacy,
Yeah.
they can check them out for you.
You're kidding?
Yeah, because apparently in France, pharmacists are trained in identifying mushrooms. How cool's that?
I had no idea. I seriously had no idea. That's
Yeah, it's really cool.
Wow. Hey, you wouldn't happen to have a really, really awful mushroom joke, would you?
Yes, I do.
Okay, go ahead.
Why do mushroom children behave so well?
I don't know.
Because they don't want to get in trouble.
You are such a fun guy.
Really bad. I'm sorry.
Where are we again?
Here! We're about 2 hours south from Paris by car towards Loire Valley. Basically, in the middle of the country.
Valley. You have the emphasis on the wrong syllable.
What was that? Did you catch it? Did you see it?
Zoom in a bit. Oh. Again.
Hello, fishy. That is very charming. What a glorious morning. So, mushroom experience, did you like it?
It was really good. We had a very, very good Airbnb host. He was very, very friendly, gave us lots of useful information, and we just had the entire property just to kind of roam around on. It was a very different experience. I would recommend it.
Yeah, me too. Would you come back?
Yes, but next time I'd dress like Super Mario just to keep the whole kind of mushroom theme really going. Yeah. Back in the car.
Let's go see more friends.
And we'll have another video up soon, won't we?
We will.